What are IKYA Mantras, and how do they work? According to physics, you are a force field of information. As a force field, you are connected to all life around you, and you are influenced by the energies and information surrounding you. Our civilization is increasingly out of balance. We live in a world of noise. Everywhere you turn, there are sources of disharmony and distractions pulling you away from your natural harmony. It is increasingly challenging to stay focused and aligned to your own spiritual unfoldment. You can easily become drained, confused, and unhappy. Mantras act like tuning forks, restoring your original vibration. When singing, the sound and the spiritual information each mantra represents will bring you to a place of clarity and balance. Mantras are the oldest spiritual practice and have followed humans from the very beginning. They are found in every culture throughout evolution. Mantras are fundamental keys to aligning yourself with higher reality. The consciousness on this planet has evolved. Our modern complex world gives us entirely new challenges and opportunities. Souls incarnating as humans today are also more evolved and carry different karma than humans thousands of years ago. Therefore, many of the old mantras no longer work, nor address the complexity of today's spiritual and human journey. The enlightened master IKYA is introducing new and until now secret mantras to uplift and heal the dedicated seeker of today. The IKYA mantras pull you into the here and now and will amplify your awareness. You will experience these mantras as more directly activating you, both spiritually and in your life. They will let you incarnate more fully and embrace the complete potentials of your spiritual journey. IKYA mantras can be used in several ways. You can sing them out loud as part of your spiritual practices, or you can sing them in the car on the way to work. You can sing them while walking in the woods, or you can sing them inwardly or in a moment of stress or whenever you feel you need to connect. You can also speak the mantra out loud or silently in yourself, more like an affirmation. Think of them as little love songs that instantly connect you to divine love in yourself and in the universe. IKYA mantras are like spiritual tuning forks you can have in your back pocket, and you can apply them in different ways that support you in walking your spiritual path. No matter what tradition or practices you come from, studying with IKYA will radically shift your understanding of what it actually takes to reach the highest levels of consciousness. You will start seeing changes, growth, and healing in your entire being beyond anything you have experienced before. IKYA will be with you both on the inner and on the outer and train you until you reach mastery. The IKYA mantras will boost your spiritual practices and revitalize your journey. So join us for the most powerful spiritual teachings on the planet.